Hello viewers, I am Inbarive. Today we discuss about government jobs for mechanical engineers. For mechanical engineers, we have n number of government job opportunities in state and central. We are not applying for engineering-oriented government jobs. We are applying for state government jobs for TNBC. Those who are applying TNBC Group 1, Group 4 examinations, why you studied for engineering? You go and study for any other degree. It's just enough for TNBC, any other degree. Before 20 years, the job opportunity for engineers is very high because outcome of the student is 10,000 means the job opportunities as 50,000. Now, outcome of the student is 1 lakh or 2 lakh, but job opportunity same 50,000. Nowadays, mechanical engineers around 2 lakhs mechanical engineers coming out every year. For mechanical engineers, we have n number of government job opportunities available. We move to the video. We will see the list of government job opportunities. Before going to the video, still if not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for latest update. First, we see the central government jobs. CIMFR, Central Institute of Mining and Fuel Research. Then CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Then NMDC, National Mineral Development Corporation. IESESE, Engineering Service Examination. NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited. CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board. HEC, Heavy Engineering Corporation Limited. UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. AAI, Airports Authority of India. FCI, Food Corporation of India. RRB, Railway Recruitment Board. ICSIL, Intelligent Communication System India Limited. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. NAL, National Aerospace Laboratories. HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Then NHDC, National Handloom Development Corporation Limited. SSC, Staff Selection Commission. BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center. NHPC, National Hydroelectric Power Corporation. NLC, Navy Lignite Corporation India Limited. CMET, Central for Materials for Electronics Technology. BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. NFL, National Fertilizer Limited. CECRI, Central Electrochemical Research Institute. MSMED, Micro Small Medium Enterprise Development. BSI, Bureau of Indian Standards. BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited. Then NBRC, National Brain Research Center. NCCD, National Center for Cold Chain Development. Shipyard. CITD, Central Institute of Tool Design. NHAI, National Highways Authority of India. Then Ordnance Factory Board. Then Petroleum Corporations, Indian Oil Corporation Limited. IOCL, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. ONGCA, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. BPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. HPCL. Then Tamil Nadu State Government Jobs. CPCL, Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited. TNEB, Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. Then TWAD, Tamil Nadu Water Supply and Drainage Board. Then TPCB, Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board. Then RTO, Religion Transport Officer. Then TRB, Teachers Recruitment Board. All of them thinking the listed sector, they're releasing every year vacancy notification. Yes, they're releasing every year vacancy notification. Here I skipped near me, Air Force, Army, every year. Here they are asking the government jobs here also. All preparation will be same, but applying is different. In state and central, the syllabus will be same. It have minor variation alone. Prepare for mechanical oriented engineering government jobs. The syllabus will be same, the preparation will be same, so success in your hand. So far we seen only the listed select sector companies alone. If you want any other detailed view of any sector, text in comment box. If you have any doubt in this video, text in comment box. If you like this video, share to your friends and subscribe and like. Thank you.